Jambukeshwar Temple. Shiva appeared here as a water linga, which signifies the element of water. This Jambukeshwar temple is located near Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. On the banks of the Kaveri river, this temple is also known as Thiruvannaikval. According to legend, Shiva performed penance at Jambukeswaram to cleanse the sin caused by Daksha's torment. According to the Jambukeswaram legend, once, while Shiva was engaged in the welfare of creation, Parvati Devi inadvertently caused a disruption. Shiva, in his anger, told her to perform penance on earth. Parvati Devi, as Akhilandeshwari, created a Shiva linga with the water from the Kaveri river under a jambu tree and performed intense penance. Impressed by her devotion, Shiva appeared and imparted Shiva Jnan, knowledge of Shiva. Therefore, this temple is also known as Jnan Kshetra, the place of knowledge. Since the goddess worshipped Shiva in this temple, it is also called the Upadeshasthalam, the place of teaching. According to another legend, the great devotee Shambhu performed intense penance with the desire to directly worship the Jyotirlinga form. Impressed by his devotion, Shiva appeared and granted him a boon, saying, "I will appear here in the form of a linga, and you will worship me in the form of a jambu tree." Devotees consider the jambu tree in the temple premises as Shambhu. The Jala Linga at Jambukeshwar is symbol of water, and the Shiva Linga here is always wet with water dripping on it. According to the Puranic legends, two Ganas, attendants, living in Shiva's abode, Malyavan and Pushpadanta, were always quarreling. Once, during a severe conflict, they cursed each other, times Malyavan to be born as an elephant, times Pushpadanta to be born as a spider on earth. Both of them, with memories of their previous birth, came to Jambukeswaram and continued their worship of Shiva. The elephant would bring water from the Kaveri river in its trunk and perform abhishekam, ritual bathing, to the Shiva Linga. The spider would wave its web over the Shiva Linga to protect it from dried leaves and dust. The elephant would remove the spider's web, considering it as dirt and cleaning it. However, the spider did not accept this. One day, the spider became extremely angry because the elephant destroyed its web. It decided to take revenge and bit the elephant inside its trunk. As a result, the elephant died. The spider also died from the act of biting. Seeing their devotion, Shiva was pleased and removed their curse. Since then, this place has been called Thiruvannaikka, meaning the place where elephants worship.